Ah. Ah. Ah!
Look at all those chickens.
Hey. Hey. Hey!
So basically, what I was thinking of was, oh fuck, I can't believe you've done this.
Hey, how much you pay for that taco?
Hey, yo, you know this, boy, he's got his free taco.
What you say? That you only meant well, cause you did. What you say?
This kid finna knock himself up.
I do that.
Happy birthday, Raven!
I can't find it.
What you looking for?
My happiness.
Hi, I'm Renata Bliss and I'm your freestyle dance teacher.
Hey, how's it going? Pretty good. Now, you might have thought there were two different people talking, but actually, it's me again, Movie Magic.
Release all of those sounds that are trapped in your mind.
Stop! I could have dropped my croissant!
Like beef. I smell 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 like beef.
Ooh, I like your accent. Where you from?
I'm Liberian.
Oh, my bad. I like your accent. Where you from?
It's my little Russian lady. Please. Please get me some beats.
I brought you frankincense. Thank you. And I brought you myrrh. Thank you. Murder. Judas. No.
You guys say Colorado!
You know what? I'm about to say it.
Say it.
I don't care that you broke your elbow.
Hi, welcome to Chili's.
Later, Mom. What's up? Me and my boys going to see Uncle Cracker. Give him that back, Jordan. Do you want to go see Uncle Cracker now?
You better watch out. You better watch out. You better watch out. You better watch out. You better watch. If your name is Junior and you're really handsome, come on, raise your hand. I've been really trying.
Hey, how much money do you have? Like 69 cents. You know what that means?
I don't have enough money for chicken nugget.
This for the A.
Shawty, I don't. There's only one race. The human race. What about NASCAR?
Who wants to get crazy for New Year's? What are those?
They are my Crocs.
I'm John Cena!
I sneezed on the beat and the beat got sicker.
Well, when life gives you lemons.
Road work ahead.
Yeah, I sure hope it does.
I want to be a yo-yo man, he cried. Make me a yo-yo man. But the yo-yo master did not answer. He just kept on yoing.
I spilled lipstick in your Valentino bag.
Oh, you spilled lipstick in my Valentino white bag.
Caterpillar Rave.
Are they helium balloons?
Yeah,
I told you the car's not here for helium balloons. It's too late. Oh, we're flying away.
How do you know what's good for me? That's my opinion!